guys, it's Darth Gaming. Today I'm going to be unboxing, and this is going to be amazing. Trust me on this one. This unboxing is going to be amazing. Sorry for a little bit of lag. It's just no problem. Alright. Wipeout wraps. I do kind of like that shirt. A description tag. Alright. I guess it ain't that bad. A description tag. Alright. Yep, head hedge. Hot case. Nice. Oh! This wrap is actually kind of rare to unbox. Alright. We've got the Sky High Fly guy. As bad as that name sounds, I'm sure it's a good hat. Pretty good. Alright, let's get into it. Oh! We go commando. Right, another one of those. You only got two more. Let's check what they are. These are the remaining ones I got from random drops. Ooh, alright, that's the hot case. And I'll use that for the last one. What is it gonna be? Drum roll. Just my god, let's check. Alright, let's see. I must have got that spy suit. What the fuck? That's pretty much the unboxing video. You can see how many crates I earned from drops. Kind of ridiculous amounts. But anyway, I'll peace it out to you guys. Anyway, peace.